Welcome to this Geneious Biologics video on adding bioassay data to annotated sequences and creating and using labels. Bioassay data coupled with sequence annotation, liability scores, and germline gene differences can aid in antibody candidate selection. To add your assay data, click the Add Assay Data button when viewing the sequence data. The Excel or CSV metadata file you use will need to have a column that can be used to match to the sequences in your results. For this example, we're matching by name. This is a preview of how the data will be appended to your sequence table. Running it will append the data to your sequence table here. These new assay data columns added can also be used to filter on. I can choose to view only sequences above a threshold melting temperature of 80 degrees Celsius here. For more information on filtering, see the video on filtering in this short tutorial series. Another way to quickly add metadata, such as potential candidacy, is by using labels. You can use labels to quickly mark sequences like this. To make a label, navigate to the Labels tab here on the left. Then click New. To add labels to your annotated sequences, make sure you include the label in your sequence table columns. For more information about Geneious Biologics, visit geneious.com/biologics.